June 2018, question number 1. A. Using a calculator or otherwise, evaluate each of the following, giving your answers to two decimal places. I. 73.18 minus 5.23 times 9.34. All right, well, the first thing about this is that this is only valid 1 mark, and you're encouraged in the question to either use a calculator or otherwise. So if you wanted to, you could have just type exactly what you see in your calculator and press equal, and then just simply write the answer. But if you want, you could do it in pieces. Now, if you're going to do it in pieces, what you have to remember is that addition and subtraction are lower level operations. They are normally performed last. So in this question, the first thing I have to do is to multiply. So then I'm going to write back the 73.18 minus, then it's 5.23 times 9.34, and that is 48.8482. And if we subtract, we're going to end up with 24.3318, and then the answer would be 24.33 to 2 decimal places. II. In II, we have 3.1 square divided by 6.17 plus 1.12. All right. So if we wanted to, as I said earlier, we could just put this as we see it in the calculator and press equal. So you put 3.1 square divided by 6.17, and then after that you're going to add 1.12, and the answer here comes to be 2.6775, and it is 2.68 to 2 decimal places. All right, B part of the question. B says, Jenny works at Sammy's restaurant and is paid according to the rates in the following table. So Jenny's weekly wage arrangement. Her basic wage is $600, plus she gets 90 cents for each customer served. In a week when Jenny serves N customer, her weekly wage WJ in dollars is given by the formula WJ is equal to 600 plus 0.90N. Determine Jenny's weekly wage if she serves 230 customers. All right. First of all, Jenny's weekly wage, if she served 230 customers, would be WJ is equal to the fixed amount or basic wage plus the 0.9 multiplied by 230. So every customer she serves, she gets 90 cents extra on her pay. So since I know the amount she gets for one customer, to find out the amount she would get for 230 customers, I would multiply that plus the formula says our weekly wage is 600 plus 0.9N. N there is the number of customers that she serves, so it's 0.9 times 230 plus the basic wage of $600. So this amounts to 600 plus 207, and the answer here is $807. So in a week, when Jenny serves 230 customers, Jenny's weekly wage would be $807. All right, the second part of the question says, in a good week, Jenny's wage is $1,000 or more. What is the least number of customers that Jenny must serve in order to have a good week? All right, well, if she for Jenny to have a good week, she's gonna earn $1,000 or more. So Jenny's wage in a good week, Jenny's wage WJ would be equal to 600 plus 0.9n, and this must be what, greater than or equal to $1,000. So this occurs in a good week. So here 0.9n, n being the number of customers she has to serve, is 1,000 minus 600. So 0.9n is greater than or equal to 400. Divide both sides by 0.9. Nine, and so the number of customer Jenny has to serve, n, must be greater than or equal to 444.44 customers. All right. So for Jenny to earn $1,000 or more, she has to serve 444.44 customers. Now, so if she serves this amount of customer, she earns $1,000. If she serves any number of customer lower than this amount, she would earn less than $1,000. So 444 customers, which is less than 444.44, will give her less than $1,000. Therefore, the least amount of customers Jenny must serve to earn $1,000 or more is least number of customers would be equal to 445. If she serves 444, she would earn less than $1,000. 444.44, exactly $1,000. 445 customers, just above $1,000. So the least number of customer that Jenny must serve in order for her to have a good week is 445 customers. At the same restaurant, Shauna is paid a weekly wage of $270 plus $1.50 for each customer she serves. If if WS is Shauna's weekly wage in dollars, write a formula for calculating Shauna's weekly wage when she serves M customers. All right, well, WS is Shauna's weekly wage, and the first thing she earns, no matter what, she earns a basic of $270. All right, plus $1.50 for every customer that she serves. Now, if I know the amount of money I earn for serving one customer, I can find out the amount of money I would earn for serving any other number of customers by multiplying. So the amount of money extra that she's going to earn for serving M customers is 1.5 M. And so the formula, let's ensure that that doesn't look like a subscript. And so the formula for calculating Shauna's wage is WS is equal to 270 plus 1.5 M. All right. Ivy says, in a certain week, Jenny and Shauna received the same wages for serving the same number of customers. All right, so Shauna and Jenny received the same wage for serving the same number of customers. How many customers did each serve? Well, let's let the number of customers be X. Let number of customers be X. So now when both Shauna and Jenny serve X customers, they earn the same wage. So Jenny's wage, which is 0 point, sorry, which is 600 plus 0.9n, 0.9x. In this case, it's not n, it's x. N was supposed to be the number of customers served, and we said let the number of customers be x. So that's Jenny's wage, and it's going to be equal to Shauna's wage, which is 270 plus 1.5x. So let's solve this equation to find the value of x. I'm going to have 600 here minus 270. So positive 270 goes over and become negative. And the 1.5x minus 0.9x. So therefore, 0.6x would be equal to 313. Divide both sides by 0.6. And we get x. The number of customers is 550. So for Jenny and Shauna to receive the same wage for serving the same number of customers, they both have to serve 550 customers.